Parts in for the PTR signal tracer. Let's see if it works. Well, good afternoon, YouTube. It's 4:24 now in the afternoon. I have received the mail, and in the mail, as I figured it would be, is a package from Bob, and in that package are these components: two J310s and two 13K resistors. So you know what that means. I have the PTR signal tracer back out on the bench again, and we'll try to see how hard this is going to be to get to. I'm going to try to put this resistor in first. I figure if I can get that in and we can get closer to doing what I'm trying to do here, I think. I hope. But now these are, I think these are half watt. I kind of thought he would send quarter watts, but maybe he didn't. Let's see what we can do here. Let's first measure. I like to measure first. 13K should be on the 20 scale. I got the 20 set. Alright, 12.94. Not bad. Thinking, oh, let's do it this way. I think this might be a better idea. We'll mount it vertically. That would probably be the bee's knees, as it were. I think I got it. Hope I got it. How's that? Alright, now the other one needs to come back this way. Alright, I think it's worth a solder there. And there we go. That appears to have it. Alright, that is everything except for putting in the transistor. That's the fun part. Yes. Now, I'm trying to make sure I get this in the right way, because it would be bad if I put it in the wrong way. Seems to be in there good. Alright, there is that. I'm going to put these other two back into the packet so they don't get lost. And I'll put them into my box of parts. And let's see, I need me some power. Trying to think exactly how I want to do this. Alright, let me get this soldered on off camera, because it's a little bit difficult to do on camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, back here at 4:44 now in the afternoon. I have the signal tracer hooked up, and it is playing. I have the volume down pretty much almost all the way. I'll turn it up just a hair. That's very up a little, very little bit. Gotta adjust my voltage just a bit. Alright, there's 9.2. You can hear that's a pretty good signal. See what my level is going in. It's about halfway up. Turn it down a little bit and see what we get there. Seems to work pretty good. I don't know what I did try to turn it up a little bit first, and it seems like it's oscillating a little bit. You hear that? Sensitive. Sounds pretty good though. I'm pretty happy with that. Gonna have to try this with a battery because that voltage varies so much. Back down to 8.2 again, 8.1 now. It looks like 20 milliamps. See if I can get this behind there. Hold that up a little bit better. Yep. Just doesn't want to stay in there. I guess that's close to it. Part of that is from me, I think. See, I can turn it up and let go of it and it's fine. So, there's one of the knobs on there. I'm sure that will be fine. Let me put a knob on it real quick and see what that does. Ah, I think I found one. I do believe. Yes. There we go. Alright. Now let's get some, what do you call it, back on here? Power. Still me touching it. Alright, there's that. Now that seems to work pretty good, I think. So now I don't have my switches yet, so I can't put my in RF mode and try that yet. But for the AF, it seems to be working pretty darn good, I think. So I'm happy with that.
And it sure looks bad. They won't give peace a chance. That was just a dream some of us had. Still a lot left to see, but I wouldn't want to
Draw some power. It draws that voltage down pretty quick.
California, California, I'm coming home. I'm gonna see the folks I did. I'll even kiss the sunset peak. California.
Yep, sounds good. Alright, Bob, seems to be working pretty darn good now. I think we have a success there. Like I said, I want to get the rest of my stuff in, my switches, and we'll be able to try that out and see how that's going to work. So I'm going to have some editing done on this. I know that because it's way too long. I got two 20-minute or two 15-minute videos here to put together, and I know that's not right. That's not going to work. So let me get busy on that, and we can call this project a success so far. Now let me let you look at the result here a little bit closer, if we can. Let me turn this off. Turn this down. I'm going to let that draw itself down. Alright, now like I said, the transistor is here. You can see I've got it just sitting in the socket. Now I didn't trim it or anything like that. I guess I could trim it a little bit. Probably would help a little bit, but I haven't done that yet, so I will do that. Everything else is good. There's our resistor mounted vertically here, 13K. Everything else was done ahead of time. So now I'm going to make some changes on this. I'm going to put one of these screw terminal blocks here for that, for the power. And I don't know exactly what else. Maybe the speaker. I don't know yet. I haven't decided on that. But at least two of those things I'm going to use, I think. So anyway, I think it turned out pretty darn good. So let me bring it up to you a little bit, see if you can see a little bit better. I think it'll focus on that. There it goes. Hard to make it focus on stuff. Gets a little too close sometimes. Alright, well that's going to do me. You guys have a great evening. It's 4:58 now in the afternoon, almost getting close to towards evening. I'm going to mention this one more time because I don't think I did this properly. Dave Legault, I think I got that pronounced right that time, Dave, gave me some wire, sent me some silicone wire. And I said I'd already mentioned it, but I hadn't. This is that, let me back up here. Stuff used for test leads. And you can see there's what looks like in there. And it's very flexible. You see, it's really nice. And he told me he was going to send that to me, and he did send it. And I got it, I think, yesterday, day before yesterday. Yesterday, maybe. And I had mentioned to him that I was going to say it on the next video, and I think I'm pretty sure I forgot. But anyway, that's what those are. And the DigiKey order was the stuff that I ordered the other day for the Aussie signal tracer. So that's in too. And like I said, I told you about the Blah Punk. So anywho, that's that. Like I say, you guys, I really thank you very much, Dave, for that. These are really great, sensational. I have some older ones. They were Heathkit. They're not as pliable as yours. And they're quite old. 80s is when this was made. I still use them. And they still work, but like I said, they are old, but they're still very pliable. So I like it. I like it a lot. So you guys have a great evening. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see ya.